Hi everyone, and thank you for stopping by. My name is EJ, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can install Goodlock 2019 on your Galaxy device. Doesn't matter where you are in the world, this is gonna help you. And to make it easier, you don't need your PC, you don't need your Mac, you don't need anything to do this. The only thing you need is your phone. Let's get straight into the video. So we are here right now on the phone. I'm gonna be showing you what you have to do. It's really simple. We're gonna be doing this really quick. Well, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the Play Store really fast. We are on the Play Store. Now you're gonna be typing Nice Lock, not Good Lock, but Nice Lock, Nice Lock, and we press enter. As you can see, the first app that's gonna show you is gonna be this one. It's a free one. You can download this one. It's not have any problems. The ads are really tiny in the bottom, non-intrusive. And yes, you can do that. But for me, I decided to help the developer, and as a thank you, I decided to buy the ad-free one, and it was, I think, $4. I think it's a bit expensive, but yes, I don't know how much it took for do this, and I'm actually thankful that he actually took the time to actually make a free one, so it's not a greedy person or anything. Well, I made a decision. You make your decision to do what you please. I'm gonna be opening right here the Nice Lock ad-free application, and as you can see, here it is. It looks really nice. It goes all the way looking good with the One UI from Samsung. So the thing you have to do is, I don't have everything installed. As you can see, it even tells you which ones are updated, which ones need update, and which ones are not installed at all. Now from here, what you have to do is download the APKs so you can go and install each and every one of them. For that, you have to go on the side, download them one by one on APK Mirror or any other site, but he actually made another application to make this process so much smoother and easier. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go right here, go to open XDA support, wait for a second. Now it's opening. As you can see right here, we're gonna scroll down. This is the thread right here. You can check everything, all the information. People are leaving comments, the versions and everything. So, but what you need right now is the downloader. Now we're gonna go all the way to the top back. As you can see his name here, I don't gonna even try to say that. We're gonna go right here and you're gonna go to view forum post. Now that we are here, you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna be looking for Nice Lock downloader companion app. You're gonna press here and it's gonna send you to this page. When you're here, the only thing that you have to do is you're gonna see the versions right down here, and you have a version 1.2, version 2, and version 2.15. You're gonna get the latest version of this application. It's gonna work the best. So we're gonna grab this one. You click on it. Wait a second. Now you get it here, download, and you say download. Now I say open and install. If you have never installed something from your browser, it's gonna ask you to give it authorization to install applications that are not authorized to install APKs on your phone. So after you've done that, just wait for a second. So that is it, it's done. Now we press open. Here's the application with all the apps from Goodlock, each and every single one of them. And now what we're gonna do is you're gonna go here and let's say I want to download this one. I just press direct download. It's gonna send me to APK Mirror. It's a really trusted site. It's gonna send you directly to the page when it downloads. You press download, you start in downloading, open file, download it, install. As you can see, it's super easy. You can get outside of this page, you don't need it anymore. We go back and we go here to downloader, and as you can see, it's already updated and installed. So this is it, guys. This is the application. As you can see, it's really simple. Everything is updated now. As you can see here, it's showing now updated. Before it was not installed. So it's simple. Don't waste more time. Go and install it. You're gonna really enjoy Goodlock 2019 and all the things that it have. It just brings your phone to another level. Go and get the app. My name is EJ and I will see you on the next one. Bye.